Welcome back, guys. Today we will do a screwdriver. Maybe I get rid of everything from this scene. Yes. So I had a weird idea as I was use the screwdriver. Why not to model it? So today we will do it. I will change the units in centimeters. We will start off with the cylinder. I already got a point of reference. I will try to do this kind of screwdriver. I like the hard edges from the handle, but for the moment we will do the rod. 0.3 for radius and 10 centimeters for depth. Yes, so I was mistaken. 20 faces. This should be acceptable. Three here with 3 here. Well, now that's better. And I will get this like that. I always check the photo reference. I forgot to show up also the back faces, so I had to select them separately. Also, I have some clipping issues as the object is small, so 1 centimeter is not enough. 0.1. Now that's better. I can get a closer look. It's clipping here. So let's carry on. Yep. Now I go to the edges. With an extrusion, individual faces, and now if I also turn on normal axis, now they are going into their axis. This looks fine. Now maybe that's too close. Or I will scale them a bit. Going back to median point, and I will turn it into a face. For the moment. So here I will need a cut, and also here. That's looking more like a screwdriver tip now. And let's carry on with the faces. Maybe if I do like that. I forgot again to turn on the shortcut. I don't know why it's always restarting. Now that's a quad. That's much better. It's best to keep the geometry as much as I can into quads. Scale on Z just to make this line more straight. And now again, if I go to individual faces with normal, I can get it a little bit of curve. This looks like it. I will shade it smooth and subdivide 2 times. Let me check how it's gonna look if I have a bevel modifier. That's not so pretty. The scale looks uniform. 0.1. Still too much. 0.05. Now 28 degrees and now that's much better. Also, let's keep the statistics on. Oh yes, they're visible. So 2 segments, it's fine. Two levels of subdivision. It's pretty good. I won't do it as a low poly model. It would be a mid poly model. Maybe these edges can go a little bit higher. No. I will keep it like that. Now the handle. So for the handle, I will set the origin here. Let me get it back, the orientation back to global with median point. Now for the handle, I will 1.5. I will try. No. 1. That's better. And let's say 7 centimeters. For the handle, I have a base of 6 sides. I will get an empty and let me just delete everything. Except on face. So now if I do an array modifier with 6 faces, not into relative offset but object offset, and I have to get the object right into the middle. To the same origin as set origin to join. No. Set origin to 3D cursor. But okay, I give up. 8.5. Yes. So now if I rotate this on the z-axis by 60 degrees, the cylinder is back. And now for every adjustment that I am doing to this face, let's say I do it on the x-axis, I move these edges, every other edge will move with it. Control Z. Now I will try to recreate that shape. So and here maybe on Y. Now I see. Again, problems with the size of things. Now that's much better. Okay. Scale Z. I will set now the origin to 3D cursor. Also, let me hide this. So for the scaling, if I just press S, it will scale on every axis. But if I press Shift and then Z, I am excluding Z from the scaling axis. Now that's looking better. I will go higher with the edges and a bit lower with these ones, just to get a curve like from reference, from the photo reference. And let me extrude this, scale. For the moment I will get it like this. And also I will do the same here. Extrude, keep it in the same place, scale without Z. This should be fine. Now I get a little bit of curve here for the top. And okay, I have to change the origin. I will do it later. Just a little bit of curve also here. I will select these faces. And maybe I can solve it also from the beveling. I will try to solve it from beveling. Yeah, maybe I can do it. Now I will get this point lower. So these lines somewhere like that. That's too low. Okay. Smooth vertices. Okay. Also here I should have some creases. For this area, I will keep it like that for the moment because I still have to work here. Now with subdivision, that's a start point. Now if I apply the ray modifier, also I forgot to do something first and last. Now I should apply it. Let's carry on. I will go to loop tools, circle. So now it's a perfect circle. I got a perfect circle also here. Let me take a look from the... Yes. Circle here. Median point. Okay. Now, here from the photo reference, I have a perfect circle. Just a small part. So, let me scale it because it was a little bit bigger. Something like that. Lock on Z. And now I can extrude and scale and merge in center. Let's have a look. The mesh is not having it. Still need some more edges. More and more edges. Now I got rid of the problems with doing the edges on the side. That's why I've done an inset for every face here for the curved area. Because if I've done it in this way, I will finish with a unwanted crease for the circular area here. But now I get an edge over here, but I will solve it immediately. It's looking fine, mostly. Now, if I select every vertex, I will do a break and select all of them. Okay, so all the closed vertices are selected. I forgot to deselect this side. All the vertices are selected. Now if I do again a smooth vertices and I smooth them, let's say 16 times with a smoothing factor of 1, they are now looking much better. Maybe maybe they are too close also here. No. That's looking pretty good. And yes, something like that. I will do also the small threads here. $14, $15, okay. And now okay, maybe like this, extrude, keep it in the same place again. Now a faster approach. I do it, the first extrusion will be close to the mesh and the second one it will go like this, and another extrusion close to the edge. So now I don't have to do an extrusion a cut, a slice on every side. We don't need anymore the ending. And let me shade it with a matte cap. And that's the screwdriver. Pretty high poly. Mid poly somehow. Only 77,000 triangles. I will get the Blender file to CG Trader if you wanna download it. I will leave a link in the description. If you like the video, please give me a subscribe and a like. This will help me a lot. Until then, bye.